Get ready, start. I am directed to address you on the subject noted above and to say that of late the government has been receiving an increasing number of requests from all categories of officers and officials who return to duty after serious illness for postings on light duty assignments. However, it has been found that it is generally very difficult to accept all such requests. While it may be necessary for every such officer and officials to have proper rest after a serious illness, the government is also justified in expecting that on resumption of duty, the officer and official should be fit to shoulder the full responsibilities of the post he takes over, as will be appreciated. It is very difficult for government to find light duty posts or sinecures for its employees, especially in the present day context when, on account of the needs of heavy development work all round, every officer and official is required to put in his very best with hard work accordingly in order to deal with all such cases suitably. Government desire that the relevant provisions of the existing civil services rules should be used carefully for giving adequate to relief to such officers and officials concerned, as well as for safeguarding the government and public interests in the matter of maintaining proper efficiency. Rule 8 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules Volume 1 clearly lays down that when a gazetted officer resumes duty after sick leave of more than 3 months, he should produce a medical certificate of fitness from a medical board, and in case the leave is less than 3 months, such certificate should be from a civil surgeon. Similarly, in the case of non-gazetted employees, they have to produce a certificate from a registered medical practitioner. The appointing authorities are also competent to require a government employees under Rule 3 of the Punjab CSR Volume 1 to appear before a medical board for medical examination whenever the appointing authority has reason to believe that the government employee is not physically fit to carry out his duties satisfactorily. Rule 5 of the Punjab Civil Services Rules Volume 2 further provides that government employees can be retired or put on invalid pension on certain grounds as mentioned in the rule. These instructions may also be brought to the notice of subordinate officers for guidance. Please acknowledge receipt. Stop.